Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so hope everyone's having a great day. So today I have the model free part synthetic wig in the number 102. I'm wearing the color 0230. Yes. Look at this, ladies. Yes. This is the dark roots coming down into the 30, which is OT30, is what they call an ombre two-tone. You know, this is beautiful. It's even though it's synthetic, you can use up to 400 degrees on this. But for me, I haven't used my flat iron on it yet, and I've worn this almost a month, but I haven't done the flat iron thing yet, ladies. So, bear with me. But this model, it comes with two combs, one on each side right here, one in the back, along with the adjustable straps, because everyone always want to know, is it big head friendly? Yes, it is. You can adjust the straps to fit your size of heads. Okay, I haven't met anyone yet that I believe doesn't fit, but who knows? I guess there are some people out there. Okay, yes. So this right here, it's no lace cutting. We have no lace. It's just as if take it, shake and go out of the box, take it out, put it on, adjust your straps, and it's just like, bam, you're ready to go. You're ready to slay. Because this here, I love it. I love it. Look, the parting. This parting, I'm going to say the parting is what? Maybe about, about 3 inches, deep, because the part, it stops back here, almost at the center, of your head and everything. And the density is good. It's not, I'm not going to say so much of a yucky, but a kinky kind of yucky texture. It's soft. It brushes right through. Tangling, I've had some because, of course, it's the summertime. It's the hot heat out here. It's hot. And trust me, the synthetic, they will, it sticks to the back of your neck. Me, I kind of part it to the back and kind of brush it to the front, well, to each side, so it won't be sticking to the nape of my neck and all this hot heat, with the degrees being 100 and something or 90 and something, because yeah. But of course, with this one, since there's no cutting, shedding, there is. And you would expect that with most synthetic wigs. Not all, but most of them, there is shedding. And the flyaways, now with the flyaways, they keep doing this, just moving. The flyaways, you can always take the spray and spray it and brush it before you go, to keep it down, no flyaways or anything. Because ladies, I would suggest that you keep a brush in your car, in your purse, so you can just brush this out. But with this unit, this model unit, as you can see on the card, it is 3 ways. Me, I'm a middle part girl because I like the little blunt cut and everything like that. But come on, let's see. So you can move this. Let's do the right part. It's cute in the right part. Now, if you choose to use the hot curl on it, I guess you could curl it up, flip it a little and let it hang down. But I mean, to me, it's a little, it just looks a little uneven. But I mean, it's your choice because this is the right side. Like I said, I'm a middle girl, so we're gonna turn it and see what it looks like to the left as well. Okay, let's do the left part. It looks pretty nice overall. I love it. If this is something for you ladies, I would suggest you add this wig to your collection. Very convenient for those who don't like cutting lace. Oh, wait a minute. For those of you who don't like cutting lace or don't know how to cut lace, I mean, model, they're making some awesome wigs, some awesome units, all different kinds. This blunt cut is just OMG. I'm going to have to take and give model the free part 102 a thumbs up. If this is something that's for you, like I said, ladies, get it, okay? You won't regret it. And for those of you who are new to my videos, don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good day.